My name is Brema. I'm the founder of Unfinished Legacy, and we're here with Rit Dye. I used the butterfly throughout my design, and over the few months of using it, it developed its own meaning. Earlier on, it symbolized migration. I'm an immigrant to the States, born in Sudan, raised in Kenya, from one country to the next to finally settling in the States. The symbolism that relates with everyone is the growth phases. I had the opportunity to develop some color formulas with Rit Dye, including some of my favorite color tones. The way I use Rit Dye to stay inspired is by continuously experimenting and expanding my process of making art and dyeing clothes. It's something that I'm new to, and I'm looking forward to dyeing more and learning different techniques of dyeing. I'm really excited and grateful for Rit Dye taking an interest in me and my brand.